Hi everyone! Let's look at 3 common types of humidifiers available in the market. Steam humidifier boils water and releases steam vapor into the air. It can cover a large space efficiently, but it can be noisy for some people. Evaporative humidifier is relatively quiet, but it uses filters which require routine cleaning or replacing, and this could be a hassle. Are you looking for a super quiet humidifier? Then an ultrasonic humidifier is your go-to. Here's how it works. Water goes down from the tank to the base where a metal plate vibrates at an ultrasonic frequency in order to create water droplets. Then a silent fan pushes the mist out into the room. These devices are good for single rooms such as bedrooms, nurseries, office, and others. But it comes with a trade-off. You'll have more white dust if you use tap water. How do you choose a humidifier? Humidifiers come in all shapes and colors, fit for a variety of rooms. Many doctors recommend you to buy one, but where do you start? First, consider the size of your room. Your goal is to achieve a humidity level between 40 and 60% according to the EPA. The small humidifiers, like those with half gallon, work perfectly for rooms up to 300 square feet, whereas the 1 gallon is best for large spaces like 500 plus feet. Also, working duration depends on the tank capacity and the mist output, so technically speaking, lower mist works for longer hours with one fill. For a better experience, you might want to consider these features. Cool mist or warm mist? Is it noisy? Is it easy to clean? Can I shut off all the lights in my bedroom? Can I use essential oils? Does it have a night light, timer, or a motor? Will it automatically shut off when the water runs out? Sometimes you might consider a built-in humidity monitor or a humidistat. So choose a humidifier that's best for you and your family and have a great easy breathing season. Okay, so then what's the best humidifier out there? In this list we give you a pretty good place to start. The recommended humidifier is by Ultrasonic. For large rooms, bigger tank capacity with at least 4 liters is best. For small to medium rooms like the bedroom, 2 liters units are the best because they fit comfortably in the nightstand.
Moisturize the dry air in your home or office in minutes with the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. This powerful and sleekly designed tabletop humidifier is packed with smart features, making it the ideal solution to improve the air quality in any room. Featuring a 1.5-liter tank delivering more than 150 milliliters of moisture per hour, this humidifier provides unparalleled relief from dry air and runs for up to 16 hours on a single tank. Fine-tune the exact amount of moisture you desire with a 360-degree mist nozzle, as well as high and low mist settings. For a soothing glow and maximum relaxation, turn on the optional nightlight. The humidifier couldn't be more safe and user-friendly, with automatic shutoff when the water level is low or the tank is removed. You'll sleep well knowing that the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier is backed by Pure Enrichment's industry-leading 2-year warranty. The Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment. Order yours today and experience a dramatic improvement in the air quality of your home or office.
This winter, will you suffer from headaches, concentration problems, dry and cracked skin, itchy dry eyes or dry nose lining? Most likely, your house heating is over-drying your indoor air and causing all of these symptoms. That's why you need a Venta Airwasher. An Airwasher corrects air humidity by evaporation. Look, these discs act as collection plates, picking up water from the unit's reservoir. The dry room air moves over the plates and picks up moisture and then exits back into your room, correcting any dryness, leaving the air refreshed and invigorating. But here's where your Airwasher is superior to a plain humidifier or vaporizer. While it quietly humidifies, the discs trap any airborne bacteria, dirt and allergens from your room. Since these particles can't evaporate, only humidified and purified air is free to exit back into your room. So say goodbye to colds and cough bacteria transmission. Venta Airwashers give you perfect humidity, but with so much more. They never over-humidify. They don't use messy filters. They trap airborne bacteria. They don't produce white dust.
The Honeywell UV Cool Moisture Germ-Free Humidifier uses evaporative humidification technology to establish a clean breathing environment. This humidifier is designed for medium-sized rooms, and the 1-gallon water tank can run up to 24 hours per filling on the lowest setting. The UV technology kills up to 99.9% of certain bacteria, mold, fungus, and virus in the water, and the air washing filter with the inclusion of an antimicrobial treatment helps inhibit the growth and migration of mold, algae, and bacteria on the filter. Swapping out the filter is made easy with the removable dishwasher-safe parts, and the filter is recommended to be replaced monthly based on usage. On the top of the humidifier, you'll find 3 speed settings to adjust moisture output and sound level. Here are the different speed settings. The Honeywell HCM 350B comes with a 3-year limited warranty. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.
Pure Guardian Humidifiers guard against problems caused by dry air, providing relief for those with dry skin, allergies, and cold and flu symptoms. The Pure Guardian 30-hour, half-gallon Cool Mist Humidifier uses ultrasonic technology to quickly deliver a fine, even mist. Unlike other humidifiers, Pure Guardian uses silver clean protection to fight the growth of mold and mildew on the surface of the water tank. It's perfect for small-sized rooms like a bedroom, office, child's room, and nursery. Variable cool mist settings and an adjustable spout make optimizing your comfort easy. Soothing mist, quiet operation, and an on-off nightlight ensures a restful night's sleep. Simple controls make operation effortless. Equipped with an easy-fill tank, the unit runs up to 30 hours without refilling and automatically shuts off if the water level's too low. Pure Guardian, creating a better home environment.
I'm a mom, and I care about my family's health. My daughter often gets nosebleeds or a cough during the dry season. Without a humidifier, you're risking bloody noses, dry throats, even the flu. Vixene is the noiseless, powerful, easy-to-clean humidifier that helps me protect my family against the problems of the dry season. The 2-liter tank and multiple speed settings help me control the humidity in the house. And the powerful mist output ensures that the room is comfortable within minutes. Shh. Kids don't like noises when they're sleeping. Luckily, this product is silent. Many humidifiers are difficult to clean and refill, but the Vixene humidifier is different. The large tank mouth makes it easy to clean and disinfect, which helps me prevent bacteria growth and protect my family.